In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get the correct amount of adhesive when you're dipping into your adhesive well. So once you've grabbed the extension, dip into your cup, touching the bottom of the cup, and scoop towards you and out to the side. By doing that, you'll get a little bead right at the very base of your extension. If you're not happy with the amount, I would re-dip, and the speed that you come out of your adhesive will really affect how much is on your lash. So if you go too slow, there'll be not enough. If you come out of your adhesive too quickly, you'll have too much. So we want medium speed. If you ever get too much adhesive, please make sure that you don't wipe off on the bottom of the iPad or on the edge of your cup, as that will affect your retention. Plus, if you do it near the iPad, a lot more vapors will be released near the eye area, which is not what we want. So simply just re-dip to adjust the amount that you want on your extension base. So to get the perfect amount of adhesive, touching the bottom of the cup and then moving out to the side, you'll see how there's that small bead right at the very base. That's all we would need for a regular application. If your client has oily skin or she's a heavy makeup wearer, I would use more adhesive. So grab a slightly bigger bead for those with oily skin. So that is how you get the correct amount of adhesive on your classic lashes.